Innovation starts where limits no longer apply. At Asphericon, we rethink how optical systems are designed and manufactured. The key: a unique in-house software platform with over 2 million lines of code, powered by 200 virtual servers for full data security. This platform orchestrates the entire value chain, from initial design to the final system, from optical simulation to surface processing. Every component is manufactured, measured, and assembled in a fully digital ecosystem, certified to international standards. Real-time data analysis and automated inspection drive precision and ensure quality control. Digitally managed assembly guarantees full traceability and supports operational excellence, from optics to custom-built systems. VR-based training accelerates onboarding and transforms expert knowledge into repeatable workflows. Asphericon powers what's next in photonics, with digital excellence, intelligent automation, and full process traceability.